Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you will be hale and hearty, so guys, come to the point. I share this video to give you an amazing and easy idea of acrylic painting. Hope you will like it. Watch till end and grab your mediums to start an art journey with me. Here we have blending brushes too. 1-inch flat brush, half-inch flat brush, round detail brush, titanium white color, cadmium medium yellow, naphthol medium red, ultramarine blue, carbon black. I am using 16/20 inches canvas. Here I mix colors on my palette. I applied one of the color on canvas. Now mix the other one. I applied the colors and blend them perfectly. Now I paint yellow acrylic paint. Now blending it gently. Hope you are enjoying the blending idea with blending brushes. Now applying light purple color on the canvas. Now making water waves of sea with the blue color, drawing a person standing there. He is a fishman looking to hunt the fishes. Making his reflection in the water. Now I taken a round detail brush to make birds in the sky. I make them on various places. Hope you enjoyed my natural landscape painting by acrylic paint. Wish you best of the luck, keep creating, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.